Oh my goodness. It smells so good in here. It smells so good in my house. All right, guys, well, look, anytime that your husband or your mate compliments you on how good and soft and expensive the house is smelling, man, you know you have done something. Now, I know y'all waiting to see what I have to show you guys, but it's a two-step process in how I get my house to smell this way. And I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm not looking at nothing else to make my house smell as pretty and expensive as it does now. So, guys, what you are gonna need is two things. So guys, I used to make my house smell good with plugins. And you know, those plugins can run very expensive and they run out very quick. So when all of my plugins run out, of course you know to keep this part, but I also keep this part. Once I pop off the top, I fill this with oil that I got from the Dollar Tree. Now, when I seen that the Dollar Tree had oil like this, I went and smelled each and every last one of them to see which one I liked. And this one takes the cake. Guys, this one is no joke. It's energy, okay? It's energy. And I take it, so I just take this, and I just pour the content of that in here. If you want, you can add a little water to this, but basically I don't. And I just put this back in and I pop the top on, and then I put it back into my wall unit. All right, got the house smelling good like that. But now I'm going to show you what made it go to another step, what made the fragrance of my house go to another level. Once I plug all my plugins in, I was at the dollar store the other day, and I saw this, guys. I saw this, and it looks like this. This is what the scent looked like, and it's the same as the oil that I put in my wall. Guys, I opened it up, and in a combination with this, going on with this, my house took off. Everybody that comes over here is complimenting me, looking around trying to see what I have done. If they see a plug-in in the wall, they say, that little plug-in is doing all of that. This house smells really, really nice. What fragrance is that? Guys, and one of the other things that I do with this, yes, you can sit this anywhere, but I have candle holders. So I sit mine inside of candle holders and other little things that I have around here that no one will really know that they're in there, and it makes it smell good. Now, I'm going to tell you, I got that from Dollar Tree. I joined both of them together, and it makes my house smell good. Guys, also pay attention to the size of your room. If you're doing your bathroom, you have a small bathroom, one plug-in and one of these stick scents will be enough. If you're doing a larger area, then maybe you want to put 2 or 3 in that area because of the size of the room. But guys, I would love it if you tell me how this works for you, because I am getting compliments from everyone. Delivery guys, neighbors, friends, and the one family. But the one that just blew my mind and I knew I had hit the jackpot is when my husband spoke on it. Well, he said, babe, this house smells absolutely nice. He said, what is that? That smells good. I knew I had a winner. So guys, if you go to Dollar Tree and you try this combination or any other combinations that they have there, because they have more than just this scent, tell me in the comments section down below how it worked for you guys. Well guys, you have reached Regina TV. Do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Hit the notification bell down below so you will not miss good content like this, because I got some other stuff that I am going to bring you guys. I just got to get it to you. But it is excellent. And until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, and I will talk to you later. Bye.